There were two for me, probably three actually. But I loved the artwork where we were just left to potter on our own, and to begin with, you know, I was thinking, oh, like what can I produce? And then within a couple of minutes, I was just a child again, and just collecting bits of the forest, and just creating without a massive intention, and it was really nice.
Can I try and guess what the other two were?
Yes, go on then, yeah.
The art performance, so the kind of
The fierce, tender,
and playful.
Yeah.
And the walk.
Yes. Yeah. The walk was a standout.
Yeah.
Actually, to be more specific, the telling the stories after the walk, because a massive, the precious part of it was other people mirroring back the story